This is the place. Looks like Pete set up a lot of gear.
Miles, get ready for your first holographic training challenge. These challenges are spread throughout the city. Each one focuses on a new move or technique. This one focuses on acrobatic improvisation. Get into position to start.
Holo training? Oh, I am so down.
First up, air combat. Fighting the enemy on your terms is a great way to gain the advantage. Also,
Alright, yeah! This is dope. Bless Peter Parker.
another key spider skill, disarm.
Here! Catch!
Activate. Four guys incoming, heads up. Time for some freeform practice. Use air combat and disarming to eliminate these enemies. Nice work, Miles. Keep it up. Triggering melee attack.
You guys take returns?
Oh, that's right. And that's the bingo.
Blue screen of death.
Tons of high-tech gear we can sell.
Oh, crap.
Spider-Man! Take them out! Then grab the gear!
Y'all trying to catch some hands? Yeah? Okay, let's go.
Yeah!
Take the spider out and grab the tech gear. Gonna make bank selling this stuff off.
Just so you know, this is official Spider-Man tech. Y'all are not authorized to resell.
Spider entertainment system online. Beginning reboot. Check.
These guys can see through. How are these guys see through?
Welcome to the Thwip. Remember, specificity is the heart of every great quip. Present instead of, hey, ugly, try, oh, nice mask. Wait, that's your face?
That's not a quip. That's a straight up burn.
Keep practicing. Soon you'll be equipped like a pro.
Got something for you.
System error.
That's it for the tech thieves. Now to fix a training sim.
Critical fault on circuit AF-15.
Kernel panic. Oh, let's try a BIOS reset. Nice. That did it. Looks like P made stealth, swinging, and combat challenges. Gotta check these out when I get a chance.